What is up, everybody? This is Spicy Beast. Welcome back to part 2 of Dead Space. So, starting things off, the last episode, we did not know that they were making a Dead Space remake. So, this was just really coincidental timing on our part.
It's all right, Clyde. He's here. Nothing to be afraid of. I knew you would come. Just like you said. I saved this for you. Can I go now? Claire wants to take me. Shut up.
I thought for sure you were going to get jump scared by that sound effect, Orion. But, yeah. So, it was just really coincidental timing that, right when they were releasing trailers for the Dead Space remake, I happened to release that episode. I will get around to, playing and recording the remake.
Do I hear me sound like a demon chihuahua while saying the word chihuahua?
Please, no.
Chihuahua!
Orion has discovered the power he has over sound effects, and now he's trying to abuse it. Alright, yeah. I cannot use kinesis to pick up schematics. Ooh, flamethrower. Flamethrower. One of my favorite weapons.
I need you to under the.
What the?
I said I need you to under the.
I don't get it. If you're referencing something, I don't get it.
The joke is that sometimes many of the important stuff is literally drowned out by static. Like in video games or movies.
Right. Anyway. Make sure these bodies don't come by here. Give me a moment, I gotta get readjusted to the controls. Oh. Alright. Let's go ahead and use one of these.
Hey, Matthew, guess what?
Do not say that again. I had enough of it last time.
Dong.
Frickin' dong.
Ding dong.
Oh my freaking god. What do I have more ammo with?
Everything looks blue in my. Why does everything look a little like blue?
That's just the lighting. There we go. That's
No,
what
like-
needs to happen.
No, like it's blue.
Activated.
Dabba dee baba dry. What the shit? Oh my god! Holy crap, resound!
Stop jump scaring me, Joffrey!
Don't forget Jenny and James! Oh my god, Jennifer!
Just J names. It's just J names.
Oh, you like what I did there?
It's just J names.
Well, looks like we
Well,
solved
given
them
the
all.
quarantine, they're obviously not where they're supposed to be. So does that make them a jaywalker? I'm sorry, that was a
my
bad joke.
God.
That was an awful joke. I apologize.
Oh, I've taken off my headphones out of. That was. Not as bad as my jokes, though. Mine are.
No, be quiet.
Yeah. Mine. Not. Yeah. But yours are not as bad as mine, though. They're nothing compared to mine. Mine are worse. Like, mine are so bad that people can use my jokes as a form of torment for prisoners.
Hey, what is with you? Also, controller!
Hey! Bright side, you didn't hit the ground.
Yeah, sorry. In order to, I guess, properly hear, or for Orion to hear the game, he needs to have his headphones on, and he keeps yanking the controller off the table. Okay. Grab the stasis. Because I know there'll be a fight. What's up? Oh, shit. Ooh.
When the necromorphs are sus.
They were sus last time.
They'll always be sus as long as they are.
Man, it's a good thing I bought a rifle for this. Buttons.
Oh yeah, speaking of buttons, it's kind of annoying how. It's kind of annoying how you literally have to put on the top button. It's really hard to do that on your shirts.
Transformation into something
Like Matthew, you
extraordinary.
feel me, right?
I must know more. Even as the believer within me wants to become one of them, the scientist
the top
needs to
button.
uncover their secret.
Yes.
I need to study one of these necromorphs, as Kyne so clinically puts it. I need to witness this infection firsthand. Perhaps the patient from the colony.
What in God's name is going on down there?
I think that's precisely the point, Doctor. God's work.
I'm not so sure of that. We have to assume that the colony's problems are somehow connected to the marker.
You can assume all you want to. I do not. The marker is glorious and divine. You know that.
God moves in mysterious ways.
Anyway, we'll have it on board tomorrow. You can analyze it all you want to. What are you so worried about?
Worried? Captain, people are dying down there, killing each other. Is this madness the transformation unitology teaches us?
Doctor. Terrence. There will always be risk when the stakes are high. And here, they're enormous. It could change everything.
Well, that's what worries me.
Loot crate. I apologize, but I will not stop making that joke. Because this game was produced by EA.
All EA ever is loot crates and in-game purchases.
Well, I make that joke now, but the fact that they are remaking Dead Space is it's a nice change of pace. All right. Oh, right. I have to deal with killer mutant babies now.
I wish to imagine that I didn't, and I wish to believe that he did not, that tentacle freak, that this tiny tentacle freak did not aim for his you-know-what. I wish to realize, I am trying to realize what just happened right now.
It shot a thing out of its freaking tentacles. Its tentacles shoot bones that it produces and shoots them like bullets.
You mean to tell me that tentacles are guns? First they get...
Yes.
Holy name! Which developer loves tentacles too much?
What are you talking about? It's like one of the only tentacled creatures that we fight. Aside from bosses and the friggin' big things that try to carry us to rooms. You'll see what I mean.
Oh yeah. I'll see. Y'all will see what he means, and y'all are gonna be big surprised.
What's
like
up?
meaty surprised. How do you have? Okay, first of all, not even I could see a tentacle like that.
Oh, come on.
I am not gonna say.
Yeah, then please don't.
Holy shit!
No, go back. Change your diaper. Are you calm now, Orion?
That was very freaking sudden.
Yeah, I suppose it was.
Alright, that thermite you picked up should be able to melt through the barricade. Use the shock pad to ignite it. Hope I can hold this position. I can hear something big moving out there.
Is it your mother?
Oh, we back through here.
Cause like, if it's big, it's probably gotta be your mother.
Dude. Nah, it's something else.
Yeah, you're right. It's his father.
Dang it! Joffrey, I see you brought your cousin. Can you please tell him I know I do not want to play?
And could you tell him that I know?
Oh,
Jake!
No, I do not want to smoke with you. What? Wait, what did you say?
I said Jake!
Jake?
That's his cousin's name, Jake.
Okay. What is with you?
What is with you? You sound like Stephen He. What is with you?
Why do you make weird noises?
What?
You sound like a demon-possessed chihuahua. Alright. Oh. I know this part. But Orion does not.
What the frick are you talking about? Oh, it's just a man casually beating his head. Nothing bad. Just man casually beating his head over my stupidity. That's all.
There, finally, I picked up the freaking flamer fuel. Nice of it to give it to me pretty much before I have to use the weapon. But yes, Orion, now that I have the flamethrower, I can, in fact, kill it with fire.
Oh!
That's just Brutus. That's just Brutus. And then I open up this here room. Woo!
Can you beat Dead Space without any
Found
ammo?
something down there, didn't you? Yes.
You would have to
We
rely
found
on
something.
this
So the texts
and
were
this.
right. All this
So,
time.
I wouldn't be certain of
possibly?
that. There was nothing divine in what I saw.
We must
But it'd be very
embrace
difficult.
this. We are the first witnesses.
Matthias isn't letting anyone down in the colony. It's under quarantine until we learn more.
To hell with Matthias. He of all people should know that this is greater than him, or the operation, or even the company. This is our deliverance.
Keep your damn voice down. People are dying down there.
Only the worthless and the unbelievers. But I believe. Do you believe, Terrence? Do you?
I believe this, Dr. Mercer dude needs to shut up.
Mantox! Oh my god!
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh my god, the second guy was Jack! Wait, no. Oh, hold on, sorry. That wasn't Jack, that was Brian. My bad.
Hi. Well, what happened to Brutus then?
He just quit his job, mate.
Why are you Australian all of a sudden?
He just quit his job, mate. That's all.
Soon we're gonna be dealing with bloody zombie space dingoes!
Holy shit!
Dude, got started by a dying man. Oh,
Sounds like me when he sounds like a freaking demon chihuahua. What the hell?
he was choking.
He sounds like a demon chihuahua when he chokes.
But you've never heard someone freaking choke or have to cough up blood, dude? Seriously? You didn't
Oh,
sound
I did.
like.
I did.
You didn't sound.
I'm
like
just surprised that the game was mocking me, wasn't it? Oh. Who's that?
Lucas.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Oh! That tickled my nose a bit.
What the f? Really? What the f? Dang it! I accidentally used the wrong thing.
You
I am
better
not used to
freaking
these
like and
controls.
subscribe because this is what Mafia has to deal with a lot of the time.
Oh my god. Y'all have no idea. Okay.
As you know, Ishimura is able to set his grappling locals. Your grab boots will kick in when you enter a zero-G area.
Yeah, you know.
Yay! Corpse play!
Give me a few minutes. I'm just making sure I'm getting all this stuff.
Exiting zero gravity.
Great. You got a shot pad. Combine that with the thermite at the barricade to destroy it. Shit. I can hear more coming. Moving through the vents. Stay safe, Isaac.
Zero gravity.
No. Okay, I was looking for the body of that necromorph I just killed. But hey, can I take one of these with me?
Hey, Matthew?
Hmm?
Sam, Matthew?
What?
Balls.
Oh, snap, boy. What the? What is with you? Oh my god. Oh. Nice of you to drop in.
But now you're about to rise out.
Oh my god.
That was disgusting, wasn't it?
Yeah. I guess they're a hugger too. You know what? I use stasis quite a bit, but I'm gonna do capacity. Boy got startled by me exiting the bench. No. You got startled by me exiting the bench? Really? Of all things?
It was the sound that came after it.
And what do I got left? What?
So I heard that if you save some at a certain order, it will spell nickel. Nickelback.
Should be clear from there to the mall. Remember, the codes are on the captain's body.
This is Senior Medical Officer Nicole Brennan transmitting shipwide. We need more help. We don't have the resources to deal with this many cases.
If you're gonna try and torture me with cringe, I'm gonna torture you with every single time you get startled by something.
To deal with this. Get under the table. Hold him. Not you. Hold him down.
What?
Never mind.
Recording.
That was Nicole,
I'm not
right?
even gonna complain.
I can't tell from
So
here when
glad
that log was made.
And I can do this.
I'm sure she's around here somewhere.
I am the cringe Matthew.
Careful with pulling the cord.
Matthew, you know me. I am the cringe. And wearing the keck. Is the keck what you bring me for? Those rare, delicious keck moments that people so crave to their... Ah! Oh my god, Mac didn't notice that I got scared by him getting hit. Oh thank god he didn't notice that.
I did, actually. I was too focused on killing them.
Shit!
Before I continue on, check this little room. Take a 6 shades.
My headphones, and the next thing I see is that freak! first corpse. It's not enough.
Whew. I'm trying not to move too much.
I really am a nuisance. I really am a nuisance, aren't I?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you over the sound of gunshots.
My nuisance.
What?
I said my nuisance.
No. I just wish you'd be more cautious. I mean, you are handling someone else's controller.
You know, like, with all my cringe and stuff. All that combined.
Kinda. To me, maybe not the audience, I'm not so sure.
Okay, I just saw the guy's booty and it was fake. Not gonna lie. Matthew, I know this may sound weird, but which necromorph has the best butt?
Fuck.
Hey, wait, I'm just trying to start a conversation.
Not that one!
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Just... Really? What is with you and butt cheeks? What is it with you?
I'm dead serious, Matthew. I'm not joking.
Well, I don't know. I don't pay attention to the freaking dead evil asses.
Why is that woman caressing the necromorph?
It's not a necromorph.
Oh. Oh my!
I'm saving the game.
Sam, what would necromorphs look like on Trip? Like... that was a facepalm, Matthew. You actually facepalmed.
Reporting. The colony's problems concern me greatly. I have no doubt they are somehow linked to the discovery of the marker. But the exact nature of that connection
What is the weirdest question I've ever asked?
Are experienced in the form of dementia. The obvious symptoms are acute depression, insomnia, and hallucination. Incidents of violence and even murder also indicate extreme
Probably
paranoia.
the one about the necromorph butts.
Dr. Mercer has advised that
I just saw a puppy with a shirt on.
What?
Sorry, I just saw a puppy with a shirt on. It was so cute and made me laugh.
Oh, good for you. Alright, I can't do shit.
What?
Oh, that's an infector.
Oh. Did he just show his bone saw up her mouth?
No.
That's what it looks like too. I'm not gonna infect anyway. Is it similar to necromorphs?
Huh?
How do they infect anyway? Is it similar to necromorphs?
That is a necromorph.
Sorry. Is it similar to xenomorphs?
No.
Okay, then how?
It's a bit complicated. The signal for the marker, the infector these are the things kind of directly implanted to make it spread faster, which, as well as
I'll start accessing the captain's
infect the
records right now.
corpses,
Head
which
to the
results in
tram
the creation of a
station, and I'll
necromorph
contact you there.
very
Let's
rapidly.
find out what the hell happened to this ship.
Huh. You seem to have quite a bit of plasma and flamethrower ammunition.
Looks like someone had some freaky operation there.
Seriously, boy? Why are you hitting yourself?
Because I'm constantly seeing how stupid I am.
Now you know how we feel? I'm not sure how to respond to that. Please stop, Orion. Okay. Hold on, is that the end of this chapter? I think that's the end of this chapter.
Also, by the way, Matthew, I think you missed one necromorph. I recognized him. His name was Jake.
Yeah,
oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, my bad. His name was Jack.
I heard you talk about that before.
No, like, the other guy was Jake. The one you missed
I heard Jack. I heard you say Jack.
Hoffman.
I don't get the reference.
Jack Hoffman.
Come on. Orion, what is with you? Seriously? Well, on that note of cringe, I'm gonna go ahead and say that, well, I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and to share the video with others. I'm trying to grow this channel.
Just save Matt. Leave a like if you want. Leave a like and so I can subscribe to save Matthew from my cringe. Leave a like to save my uncle.
Right. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that ends this chapter and thus this video. This was Spicy Beast, and we will catch you guys in the next one.